Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome of course. Thanks for stopping by. And if you've been here before, thanks for coming back. Yeah, I give up on excuses of why these aren't more consistent. The plan is to make them more consistent, but plans change. So we're just gonna try and get by. Because I have a 40-hour-a-week job and real life kind of gets in the way of things. So, anywho, this is going to probably be a quick video. I have something planned for later. So, if this video hits before my live, I will be going live Monday night and I'm going to post it to my other social media. So if you all want to join me, it's going to be 8 o'clock Monday night, and I believe that's the 28th. Sorry. 49ers are playing tonight, and husband's watching them. So go Niners. Hopefully that doesn't get me in trouble. Anywho, we are going to do a very quick Ipsy unboxing. Boxycharm by Ipsy unboxing. This will probably be my last final one. I pay for this box. I do not get anything in PR from this company. I would love to. I'm not knocking them. But it's expensive. It's becoming more expensive, okay? When I first purchased this, I think it was during lockdown, I was spending $25 a month, which wasn't a bad price. You definitely saw the value, and you still see the value, even though it's $30 a month now. But it's gone progressively up like everything, but groceries have gone up along with them. And frankly, I have a lot of makeup. So, $30 for a box, which I've peaked, and I'm not super happy with it this month. And then I get emails saying, oh, well, for an extra $15, you can get a special add-on, which is significantly worth more. And while that's all fun and dandy, originally these boxes were $25 and you still got a really nice extra, not extra, but something nice included. So if it was a $25 box and you got, say, a Viseart palette, that was more than worth the cost of the box. And then the other things just seemed like added benefits. Even if you received, what other things? Like, for palette. Those aren't cheap. So that was a nice thing. But now they want an extra $15 to get you to that benefit. And the drop shop has gone up, and even the add-ons, they're not that great. So while I still think $30 is, you're still getting your money's worth, it's just not as exciting as it used to be, frankly. So I apologize. Ipsy, I truly do like you. I've enjoyed your services for many years now, but I think I'm going to cancel this. I've already suspended it, but I think I am going to go through and cancel. And probably check with my local TJ Maxx for the high-end products now. My local Marshalls. Or even when Sephora and Ulta have their good sales. So, anywho, let's get down to business. This is January's box, so I know it's super duper late. I believe I received it last week, so it wasn't super duper here on time. But this is the Boxycharm Glow Your Soul. And this is what our little newspaper looks like. It's advertising the icon box, which, if you didn't know, spoiler alert, it's Gwen Stefani. They have member perks, it's a power pick. No. Epic deals, mega drop. I don't know. They call it something, it's an extra $15 a month, but it's basically saying, you give us an extra $15 a month, we'll give you a nicer palette. Power picks. Power picks, you could have gotten Rodial, mascara, Anastasia, they look like eyeshadow sticks, Ren, Glow Recipe, Saturday Skin, an Ofra palette, which I don't think I have that one, or an LYS, looks like a mascara. So, I think I got a couple of those. Did not get the palette though, which I think my main thing on my profile is for palettes, because those are my favorite things. And Ofra is one of my favorite companies, manufacturers of makeup. So, we're just going to go through real quick. We have, okay, another thing that bothers me is spending $30, and it includes, it's like $1.99 shipping and handling, so it's like $32. The boxes are pretty. There's like one piece of crumpled up paper for the packing, and it's terrible because we're resellers, and my husband packs those like it's gonna get drop kicked, and it will survive. If this thing was thrown haphazardly on my porch, if it had anything glass in it, it probably would not survive. Or if it did have the palette that I was hoping for, that wouldn't have made it either. So, anyhow, first thing we have is Saturday Skin, Apple and Peach. And this is a gentle cleanser. Rise and Shine. The Weekend Recipe. I don't know. I'm not super big into skincare, and I should be because I'm getting old. Another thing, I did receive the Ren, which is Glow Daily Vitamin C Gel Cream. Clean to skin, clean to planet. That's nice. It illuminates and hydrates. I haven't started using anything with vitamin C. It kind of scares me. People say don't use vitamin C and go out in the sunshine. I probably shouldn't worry about it because I don't leave the house. But I don't know. I think I'm pretty pale, so I don't know that maybe brightening it will just make me shimmer more. So, we'll see. This was one of my picks. And I don't generally use this because I don't blow dry my hair, but my son does. So I decided to get the Paradox Volume Blow Dry Spray. Usually, well, it was taped shut. Usually these are too scented for me. Oh yeah. It doesn't smell bad, but oh man, that's a bit strong. And thankfully I blew out my candle, so excuse the mess behind us. We're undergoing some construction. Okay, another pick of my own was the Laura Mercier. And this is an eyeshadow stick, caviar stick. I do like these. I don't use them enough. I'm going to figure out something for my desk so I actually have them out and not in a drawer back here where I forget about them. I think I might have opened this. I'm hoping I opened it because the packaging's ripped. But swatchy looks like this. It's a very pretty mauve color. Kiss from a Rose, and now that song is in my head. So it's not. There we go. So it's a very pinky rose. I like it. It's wearable. I could do it. I can dig it. Okay, and because I am a brush hoarder, I ordered the Weenie. I chose those. I can open them. Let's see what kind of brushes these are. I have so many brushes I need to wash. Ooh, and there's another one. Okay, so only one of them has a brush guard on it, and they're not. I've received nicer from Boxycharm. They're soft. I've received nice. I've received worse, but I've received nicer. I don't know. We'll give them a shot after they're washed, and I'll let you know. If you see me use them, you'll know I like them. Okay, I did do 2 add-ons this month. I don't do it every month. I probably would have done more, but Christmas was here and I'm broke, so we just got 2. I ordered the small little tubey of the Ofra silicone primer. I don't generally use primers. It's something I want to start using just to see if this holds better when I actually go out on a date. And the other thing, and this was only like $3.50, so I'm not complaining. I might complain about this a little bit. This was $3.50 as well. And this is Shape Tape. And it's radiant. And it's a very, very light color. So I don't know if I'll actually be able to use this. I wanted to try it. Shape Tape, Tarte Shape Tape, this past week, I don't know if it's this week as well, was $15, which is half price. If this matches and holds on, I might go get some if it's still on sale. If not, I have like a whole bunch of concealers over here, so no rush. But that is it. Like I said, it's skincare, it's hair care, it's brushes, just because I wasn't really thrilled with the choices, and it's the caviar stick. So it's 5 things for $32. And while it is a great deal, it's not very exciting. And if I wanted something exciting, I would have to pay extra. So that's a no-go. But anywho, let me know what your thoughts are on what's been going on with the Ipsy Boxycharm brand, the increase in pricing, all around, and if you guys are still continuing to receive it, and if you're looking forward to purchasing it in the future. Thanks for stopping by tonight, and I hope that you all have a fantastic week, and if this makes it up before Monday night, then I hope to see you on my live. Okay? Thanks a lot. Have a great one. Bye-bye.